Good morning, mathematicians. How are you? Can you believe we are already in December? We are going to do another math problem today. So flex your math muscles because this one is going to use your brain. We are so excited to see what you do with this. So have you ever been on a walk and seen some leaves on the ground and thought, wow, those are beautiful colors. I'm going to collect some? Well, our friend Isaac went on a walk and he collected leaves in lots of different colors. He collected some red leaves and some brown leaves and some green leaves and some yellow leaves. And he wants a little bit of help figuring out how many leaves he collected on his walk. So do you think you can help him? Awesome. So let's take a look at what this looks like. And this is going to be a little bit different than the pink and the yellow squares because I tried to match the color of the value to the color of the leaves. So it's a little less confusing because we have 4 add-ins today. So we might have 28 red leaves, 79 brown leaves, 41 green leaves, and 16 yellow leaves. Or we might have 18 red leaves, 19 brown leaves, 21 green leaves, and 26 yellow leaves. Or maybe we'll have 128 red leaves, 219 brown leaves, 341 green leaves, and 86 yellow leaves. Or we might have 68 red leaves, 89 brown leaves, 71 green leaves, and 96 yellow leaves. You're saying that's a lot. Let's talk about how we're going to organize it in the problem. So we have red leaves, brown leaves, green leaves, and yellow leaves. Now watch what happens in the number set. If you choose the first one, you've got your red leaves, your brown leaves, your green leaves, and your yellow leaves. And those go in the corresponding boxes. If you choose the second number set, you're going to have your red, brown, green, and yellow. If you choose the third set, you're going to choose the red, brown, green, and yellow. And if you choose the fourth set, same thing. First one is red, second one is brown, third one is green, and the last one is yellow. Now, let's put those number sets into the problem. So can you do me a favor, mathematicians? Can you point to the number set that feels just right for you? Great. Let's put it in and read it together. Here we go. Isaac went on a walk and collected red leaves, brown leaves, green leaves, and yellow leaves. How many leaves does Isaac collect on his walk? Do you think you can help him? So remember, mathematicians, there are a lot of numbers here. But you have so much power because you have been solving all sorts of problems since we started the school year. So remember to use strategies that make sense to you. And it is totally okay to break this problem up into parts so that combining can be a little bit easier for you. You can use pictures, you can use manipulatives, you can use numbers, you can use words. If you have blocks at home or beans at home to help you, you can use those. You can use the virtual manipulative link that's in the daily learning plan for you. There's all sorts of things available to you for you to help with your math thinking. Here's what I don't want to have happen. If it's hard, I don't want you to give up. I want you to stop and think, what else could I try? And then once you do your answer, is that a reasonable amount of leaves for Isaac to have collected? And if it is, awesome. Try it a second way and make sure that you have combined the leaves correctly. And if it's not, try it again. Remember, making mistakes makes your brain stronger. Mathematicians, you learn when you think about how to revise and when you reflect on your mistakes. So I hope you have fun with this one, mathematicians. We cannot wait to see what you do. So when you're done, you're going to upload this to Seesaw. Off you go.